To remove duplicated values from an Excel sheet, click on the sheet and under Data, click Remove Duplicates. It will automatically select the table if you have any, and here you can select the criteria of duplication, either by place in this example, or name or amount, or it has to check that all the conditions are there to consider a duplicate. So in this case, if it has the same place, the same name, the same amount, and the same city, then it's a duplicate. So here are the filters which you can adjust to consider a duplicate. Next step, we are going to click on My Data Has Headers. It has to be selected in blue and click OK. So as you can see, 261 duplicated values were found and removed. 5 unique values remain. We are going to click OK. And to undo what we have done now, just click on this arrow, undo or remove duplicates, click on it, and it should bring you back to the original data.